My name is Robin and this is my colleague Robson. And today we're going to be talking about natural selection using the evidence of the pepper moth.
Natural selection is when an organism is better adjusted to the environment because of its gene characteristics will tend to survive and reproduce.
The pepper moth was originally pale in its color, having adapted in the color of the bark in the British trees. However, after pollution struck in Britain, the trees' color changed and became darker.
There are two types of pepper moth, the pale moth and the dark moth. The pale moth had a much greater population because they were easily camouflaged on the trees. But when the tree bark changed colour, this all changed.
Also, the pale moth was much more easily seen by the birds, so they got more eaten. And the darker moth was now less eaten by the birds.
The dark moth were much more rare than the pale moth. Because of the bark changing its colour, the birds eating the pale moth instead, the dark moth population went up while the pale moth population decreased.
Today, the pale moth are back to having a rather high population, and the dark moths are back to having a very small one. In fact, scientists suspect by 2019, 1% of the pepper moth's population is going to be dark.
The evolution and adaptation of the pepper moth is something that ties in perfectly with natural selection. In fact, when scientists study natural selection, one of the first things they look at is the pepper moth.
The pepper moth is a really interesting insect, which ties in perfectly with natural selection and showing with adaptation can change an animal's characteristics. However, not many characteristics can be changed. I'm Robin.
And I'm Robson.
And this show is brought to you by Twix.
And Tic Tacs.